Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Honda Accord fender. First, gather your essential tools, including a ratchet, various sockets, and a trim removal tool. Next, ensure your vehicle is securely supported on jack stands or a lift for safety. Always disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery before starting any work to prevent electrical issues. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe removal process. Now, let's tackle the inner fender liner. Begin by removing all the plastic clips and screws that hold it in place. Once these are out, gently pull back the liner to reveal any hidden bolts or electrical connections. Next, you'll need to disconnect the front bumper from the fender. Locate and remove the mounting screws that secure the bumper to the fender's edge. This step is crucial for gaining full access. With the liner and bumper out of the way, it's time to remove the fender bolts. Carefully locate and remove all the bolts positioned along the top edge, side, and bottom of the fender. Pay close attention to any electrical connectors, such as those for side marker lights, and disconnect them. Before attempting to remove the fender, do a thorough double check for any overlooked fasteners. This prevents damage during removal. Finally, with all fasteners and connections removed, you can gently pull the fender away from the vehicle. Take your time and ensure there are no snags or resistance to avoid bending or damaging the panel. Once removed, store the fender in a safe place where it won't be scratched or dented. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. This completes the fender removal process, and you're ready for the next step in your repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.